What's going on, guys? Football Cards and Stickers here, and welcome to another 10-pack opening of these Panini Merkur Die Fußballstars 2014 trading card collection. Without further ado, I'm going to get straight amongst it there, excuse me. So here's the first pack. We have Bazagli, Ramos, Goetze and Javier Hernandez. So pretty basic first packet there. Here's our first superstar card by the looks of it, and it is Andres Iniesta. Fantastic stuff. Followed by Paulinho, Cherchi, and finally Lloris. Next pack up. And we have Montari, James Rodriguez, Kokorin and Lloris. So another sort of fairly basic pack there. But we continue our ones with the defensive rock. Thiago Silva of Brazil, Paulinho, Cherchi and Kokorin make up that packet again. Very similar to the previous packet, of course, but with only 90 cards in this collection, be sure to have many doubles. We have Marcelo, Gokaninla, Hulk and Luis Suarez. So halfway through the pack opening, let's get on to pack number 6. And we have Carlu, followed by Fred, Benalio and Julio Cesar. Next pack we have Kombarov, Carlu again, Kokorin and Hugo Lloris. 8th pack, come on, oh yes, looking good. And it is Lionel Messi of Argentina, the World Cup runners-up. Fantastic card. Followed by Cherchi, Marcelo and Romero, of course, of the Argentina. 9th pack. So just a standard one here. Kombarov, Carlu, Benzema and Oscar. And in the final pack, come on, give us a superstar. Well, not too bad, near off. It is Thiago Silva with 95 defensive rock rating. Great finish to the pack opening. Robinho, Benoit Sowicoto. And finally, Cerna of Croatia, fans' favourite, of course. So that completes the 10-pack opening of the Panini Merkur Die Fußballstars 2014 trading card collection. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, guys. And, of course, I'll see you guys all in future Football Cards and Stickers YouTube videos. But until then, buonasera.